This is my curriculum map presentation. This unit plan is for students enrolled in Game Development and Design Level 1. This course is for students in grades 9 through 12, and these students will have little to no knowledge of creating games using programming languages such as Python or Java. In this unit, students will be completing a series of tasks to show their understanding of cybersecurity concepts. Students will be creating a poster on the 5 pillars of cybersecurity and how that is relevant to computer science after learning what those 5 pillars are. Students will also look at what a hacker is and what is their role. They will find examples of hackers from the news and determine what type it is, what is the significance of the case, and who is the victim. They will also create a short video explaining the specific hacker role as well as 4 key facts about that role. For their final assignment, students will create a presentation on computer threats such as ransomware, Trojans, viruses, and other malware. They will need to explain what these threats are and if there is a possible way to protect their computer against these threats. For their technology that I will have them use the Google Classroom for their LMS, Nearpod, an online free poster creator, as well as a free online video creator, and I will give them directions as to which ones I would suggest, as well as a Quizlet. I will also be using Google Forms to assess them, as well as their projects of the poster video and presentation. And for Century 21 skills, I will be using 3 standards. The first one will be Standard 2, which is Digital Citizen. This standard states that students will recognize the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities of living, learning, and working in an interconnected digital world, and they act and model in ways that are safe, legal, and ethical. I will also focus on Standard 3 Knowledge Constructor, which states that students critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others. The last standard that I will focus on is Standard 6, which is Creative Communicator. This standard states that students communicate clearly and express themselves creatively for a variety of purposes using the platforms, tools, styles, formats, and digital media appropriate to their goals.